is Kioni. Are you ready for a fun story? Let's begin. Deep in the warm Tanzanian Serengeti, there lived a cheerful giraffe named Gigi. Gigi had a long neck and gentle eyes. One bright morning, Gigi spotted a blue bird. She wondered, where do you fly? So Gigi followed the bird. Gigi asked the bird again, where are you going? The bird fluttered ahead, not answering. Gigi patiently and curiously followed. She asked a third time, please, little bird, can you tell me where you are going? Finally, the bird chirped, to the tall trees where we sing. Gigi thanked the bird and went back home. She told her friends about the bird's special singing place. They all learned that sometimes you need to ask a few times to find out something wonderful. Gigi, the cheerful giraffe, loved learning new things every day. Thank you for listening, little ones. Remember, it's good to be curious and patient. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye, and see you next time.